Mga kababayan, inilabas na po ng Abante News Online ang actual video po ng hindi po pagtanggap no, kanina sa third complaint. Makikita natin dyan sa video si Mike Defensor at iba pang mga kasama niya. Pero bago natin panuorin yan, huwag niyo po kalimutan mag-subscribe po dito sa ating YouTube channel.
Want to the people you, the Secretary General is not around. Not authorized to receive.
It is the office of the Secretary General.
How about the Deputy?
Secretary General.
First Deputy. Deputy Secretary.
Sir, I'm the Executive Director. I am the next in line.
Yes. Ilagay sa Bautista first. Ilagay sa Bautista impeachment. He's the Deputy will see.
Yes.
Respectfully, okay, I'm not here to argue. I don't wish to.
Yes, yes.
I am just relaying my position. I am not. It's not an instruction. It is. I am not. In a position to receive it.
But in the case of impeachment of former Comelec Chairman Bautista, which whom we impeached, it was the Deputy
Yes.
who received our impeachment
The next line.
in 2017.
Yes, the next line.
There is already a precedence in the House.
I would have to say.
Please check the records.
I am not arguing. I'm not arguing.
Thank you.
I'm not even raising my voice.
Thank you.
I am just manifesting.
Okay.
I am in not authorized to receive it.
Why you say that? Why you say that? For the record.
Sir, I'm just saying I'm not here to. I'm not arguing.
No, it's okay. We're just asking. We're not
Only question lang, can it be received, being expeded lang? Kahit not you, but
Because it's
someone.
ministerial.
No, sir. Again, the previous I have nicely.
But why did you receive the first one? Bakit dapat isa legal basis?
So parang napaka-unfair naman po pala talaga mga kababayan, no? At maririnig natin, why did you receive the first one? So ito yung unang nag-file ng complaint na sabi, abogado daw po ito ni Lisa Marcos. No? Pero bakit sila hindi na-receive? At yung meron pang isa, yung Makabayan Black, nag-file din ng impeachment complaint hindi rin po ni-receive.
We're not arguing. Which one, sir?
Pero yung first impersonation natin.
Monday. She was here, sir.
So, ibig mo sabihin, by the simple expedient of not being here, hindi kayo pwede mag-receive. Is that your son?
Sir, I'm just saying. I'm not here to.
I'm not arguing. I'm asking you.
I'm just manifesting. I am not under authority.
Okay. What is your basis?
If I cannot, I pagpabadali mo na, di ba?
Okay, what is your basis? As a lawyer, na both lawyers, you have to tell me what your legal authority is, sir.
I'm just manifesting. And that's all.
To what level yung authority? Sa office of the section. Can you assure us na wala kayong gagawin to block our filing when we return on Monday? Like initiate the first impeachment complaint that you already received.
Obviously, sir. That's not within my. No, it's not my office, sir.
So number one, you're not authorized. Number two, the office is not authorized. Number three, sabi mo si Atty. Jesus was allowed because nandito si Secretary Gravin. Okay, and then tinatanong niya attorney lang is on what basis? Kasi constitution dito office, not the person. So, authority na tinatanong ni Commission General, Secgen ba ang may
Instruction.
No.
So, ano bang basis mo? Ano bang basis mo? What is your basis? You tell us.
Okay, number one, let's not badger people. I'm not here.
Sorry. Repeat that.
Answer the question para hindi ka mabudget. If you're not answering the question, then you have answers because we are citizens. We're paying your salary. We're paying your salary, so you answer us.
For the same time, I'm making a proper, even if you don't receive, by law we can proper the complaint and all the annexes, and that is legal. If you will not receive, that is legally received by law.
We tender to you.
We are preparing and tendering it
Our complaint.
under and by virtue of the
Today is 2:18. Second.
I acknowledge the time is 2:11.
Yes.
Okay, 2:11. Okay, sige.
Kalma lang tayo. Si Atty. naman is here to explain to us. Atty. maybe better.
You explain it to us.
I will.
Upo muna kayo tayo. Upo muna tayo.
Kaya sabi ko ba?
Para hindi tayo parang tense dito sa ano.
Attorney, please sit down here. I know your manifestation, sir. I know your manifestation.
But we back again to my original question. What is your legal authority in saying that you are not authorized to receive?
This is a statement of I am not authorized.
So you are saying that based on your own conclusion of what the law says, you are not authorized. Is that what you're telling this fellow lawyer?
It's not in the law. It's against the law. It's against the law. It's against the law.
Sandali, so sinasabi niya attorney are not authorized. Is there an instruction from you? No. Walang instruction from SecGen, walang instruction from...
Okay, going to my next
Speaker.
question. Since there is no instruction, you're saying that you cannot receive the complaint is based on your conclusion of the process.
Wait, sir. These questions, what are they for?
We want to know because we are citizens, we are paying
Under the Constitution,
you're a public official.
One by one.
Under the Constitution, very clear that if there's an impeachment complaint and duly endorsed by
Sige, para maliwanag na lang, I refuse to be covered by any media, recording, or anything.
Ano, this is public, wala dyan sa ano mo. Pero kung nasa namin yung wala, this is a public office. Ito private conversation pa ko.
For manifestation's sake,
Okay.
Okay.
I just manifest.
Okay.
I am not consented to any recording or broadcasting of any conversation here, as I don't.
Okay.
Our lawyer and complainant, Attorney Bernie Topacio, will tender the complaint.
Okay.
Sandali lang, for the record. Will tender the complaint in accordance with the Constitution.
I don't for the proper.
That's very proper.
I know for the proper. Para let's go through the motion.
Okay.
I said no.
Yes.
Para this po.
Nonetheless, we are tendering the
To
complaint.
be, to you, to be candid, syempre, because we understand na hindi ka naman yung authorized, but of course, as a group, we will also take the step. That's why may mga ganito na motion, so we understand na. So, thank you.
Wala pong sabanan daw. That is what I understand.
We feel sorry that you have to take the floor.
Thank you for receiving us. So, maraming salamat. Kung may documents,
Yes.
establish ko lang. It's 2/11, 22 January, tinender namin sa inyo yung aming
Para completing the
Okay.
it was an attempt to
No, it's not an attempt. We tender.
para completing ko na
Sige.
you were here to tender, I refused, and you left a copy here in the office. You could actually leave it there para okay na po tayo.
Pero kung mag-isip mo, okay na.
Okay,
Thank you.
this is what I propose. Di ba, office, ito naman yan, di ba, sa office nyo ang tagal 5? 7 o'clock, okay. Since wala si Cheroy dito, hihintayin namin na dumating siya ulit.
Ako, okay sila ako.
I'll stay here until 7.
Sama si Chairman. Tanungin mo
We
sa
will wait until
Anyway, thank you for that. Alam mo naman na,
where is the SecGen?
Nasaan na section?
Where's the SecGen?
For the record.
Taiwan. And in her absence, who is the acting SecGen? Sandali. For the record.
Isa-isa.
It's you.
There is no acting secretary.
siya ang ano.
Who's the second?
But you are second in command.
In this office, I am the executive.
Nonetheless, we are tendering and brokering our original complaint and the annexes for and under and by virtue of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines.
Kaya kanina ko pa sinasabi, baka meron kayong binabiolate na civil service regulation. Kasi you're supposed to be, pagka wala dito yung
Automatic yan.
Kami officer in charge.
Automatic.
pero susunod.
It's automatic.
Secondly, Panyero. Secondly, Panyero.
Bakit si Rafi? Nagkano na naman, puntang Taiwan.
Pati ko lang siya na. Panyero. Secondly.
We would stop it yung ano. The attorney was kind enough to state yung legal. We should thank you tayo. We should thank you.
Gusto ko lang tanong pa kay Panyero.
Sino gusto yung attorney natin? Governor Chabi?
Sir, ikot ako. Ikot ako because
Gusto isa para ano? Si Admiral Carlos. Governor Chabi. Si Secretary Ministron. Attorney Topacio. Then ikaw, yung magwapo. Mati kanina. And former Congressman para. Of course, Attorney Manny Luna.
I'm the first
Attorney General
complainant, former commissioner, president, isang anti-corruption.
Pero,
Sorry, Attorney Harold Vespicio. Vice Mayor.
complainant.
Complainant.
Thank you, Attorney.
Pero, Congressman Mike, di ba mayroong executive order that since there is a one China policy, restricted the travel ng public officials natin to Taiwan?
Ibang topic na yan.
For the record. Because, kaya naging relevant yun because the reason for the absence of the Secretary General is that she traveled to Taiwan. And under the one China policy, restricted government officials, even on private visits, restricted to Taiwan. Under the one China policy. Exceptions, of course, but tingnan natin.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay lang. We understand first.
as you don't
So yan nga mga kababayan, napanood po natin itong actual video no ng hindi po pagtanggap ng impeachment complaint, no, itong pangatlong impeachment complaint po dyan Kaya naman mga kababayan, talagang umani rin po ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon sa mga kababayan natin mga Pilipino. Patapusin na lang yan ng 28 para magkalaman na. Ito sabi naman dito, malapit na Feb 25, gumawa na naman sila ng gulo, imbis hayaan ng gobyerno, magtrabaho na lang. Kung magkaisa lang sana ang mga Pilipino, dapat iprotesta na. Wala nang eleksyon, si PBBM na lang ang magpatuloy-tuloy hanggang kaya niya. Naku, hindi naman pwede yung ganun, ma'am. No? Dapat si BP Sara din, ang maging presidente. Hindi maka-join sa discussion si Chavez. Kaya patapusin na lang yan, 2020, para magkaalaman na. Kukuhan na yan, pero pag kay BP Sara, ang bilis nyo kahit supply ang proseso. Ayan, isa pa yan, ano? Abangan natin sa February 6 kasi merong magpapile ng impeachment. Tignan natin kung mabilis pa nila tanggapin ito. Ayan, sabi pa dito, nag-away na, puro buhaya. Ayan, gayahin nyo ginawa ni Halida, basura lahat ang sampang case against kay Duterte. Ngayon, nabasa na rin naman natin yung iba't ibang komento ng mga kababayan natin. So ngayon mga kababayan, ikaw kung may opinion ka, i-comment nyo na lang din dyan sa baba. Maraming salamat po.